Are you looking for a way to sync between two separate or different Microsoft Outlook calendars? With zzBots, you can now install this full two-way sync as a bot pack from our bot store. This bot pack contains two bots. One bot will monitor for new or updated events in the first Outlook calendar or calendar A, and then sync those events over to the other Outlook calendar or calendar B. The second bot will work the same way, only vice versa, syncing new or updated events from calendar B over to calendar A. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click next and follow the instructions to connect to your Microsoft Outlook calendar account or accounts. You can use the same account for both calendars, or you can set up two different accounts. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page, where you will be shown an instructional video to help you finish setting up your bots. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be glad to help you.